Picture this, you're not just hiding, you're disappearing, blending into your surroundings like a living piece of art. That's the challenge ahead. Players must paint themselves onto the background in real time, racing against a clock while the hunter scans for even the faintest trace of movement or color mismatch. It's hide and seek meets digital camouflage, and the stakes? Your ability to vanish before time runs out. This isn't just hiding, it's about becoming part of the scenery. Players must paint themselves onto the background in real time, racing against a clock while the hunter scans for even the faintest trace. But first attempts, they're messy, awkward, and sometimes downright hilarious. This isn't just about spotting movement, it's about deciphering the artistry of those trying to vanish right in front of you. From this vantage point, the hunter sweeps across a scene where walls whisper secrets and shadows shift with every breath. Every flicker of color, every misplaced stroke could mean the difference between victory and defeat. This isn't just about spotting movement, it's about deciphering the artistry of those trying to vanish right in front of you. Alright, this is it. The hunter scanning the scene like a hawk, and every flicker of color, every misplaced stroke could give you away. You've got to blend in so perfectly that you become part of the background, or you're out. This isn't just about hiding, it's about becoming one. This game isn't just about hiding. It's about becoming part of the environment so seamlessly that you're almost impossible to spot. Every brushstroke, every flicker of color can make or break your stealth. It's a test of patience, precision, and creativity. If you think you've got what it takes, let me know in the comments if you dare try this.